guys, today again going to Masmoking Dera. Remember this? The bullet? I'm gonna go to the mall tomorrow to get Clipmania. To get the toy, Clipmania. So that one is gonna I already show you all of my guns. Now Capybara turn. If they are up at the roof, so you guys wait there.
Ganito rin ang sabi ngayon ng White House. Lebanon is not part of the ceasefire. That has been relayed to all parties involved in the ceasefire. As you know, Prime Minister Netanyahu put out a statement last night in support of the ceasefire, in support of the United States' efforts, and he's also assured the president they'll continue to be a helpful partner throughout the course of the next 2 weeks. Lubhang kinababahala ng Department of Foreign Affairs ang paglala ng sitwasyon sa Lebanon. Pero pagtitiyak nila, walang Pilipino nasaktan sa turuan.
So, I bring already them. Let's start with somebody. Let's start. You know it's big, it's small. So let's start with this toy. This is my oldest toy. My oldest. And he's the cutest thing I ever seen my whole life. He's cute. And then this is cute. So I'm gonna show you the second of all. His name is Cute Clumsy. He have a strawberry, a creamy mint head and a strawberry. This is how he attacks. A strawberry bomb. Finally, the last capybara is this. He have a bag. He have a bag. He have a bag. He have a bag. Oh my gosh! Bag all the time. Now I lost the. Come on. It's done. And don't forget to subscribe so that I have a play button. Bye.